Hi, my name's Abby, this is my dad, and this is my sister Rebecca. On today's episode of Cooking with Abby, we're going to be trying s'mores.
Not only
or
s'mores.
Or making s'mores, not trying.
Well, we will be trying them.
And making them.
And trying to make them? I think we were successful in making them.
Yeah.
They're really easy to make.
They are.
Campfires, people, that's where s'mores originated. We're city dwellers. We're city slickers. We don't have a campfire. I'm pretty sure we'd get arrested if we started lighting stuff in the backyard. Microwaves. Microwaves, you can melt. Well, you can't melt the microwave, but you can melt chocolate and marshmallows in the microwave. So, s'mores can be available to you year-round, fire or no fire. Graham cracker, chocolate of your choice. Experiment with different ones. Marshmallows, melted marshmallows. What's better? You know, you can buy melted marshmallow in a jar. It's called Fluffanuffa.
Fluffanuffa? Can we try Fluffanuffa?
With peanut butter? So good. Where can people find the ingredients for today's recipe?
Here, but there's not really any ingredients.
Or right here. Graham cracker, chocolate, marshmallows. We have two surprises for you with this one. Not one, not two, and some classic footage.
Not one, not two.
Not one, not two, but three?
No.
Not one surprise, but two surprises?
If this is a surprise to you, then we have
three surprises. And another surprise is we did this way, way, way back when we were renting a country house. And so we have some footage of you guys trying them there, and I think we might slice that in for a little fun.
Am I like five?
You were in there? Were you in there? Everybody was in there. We were all in there. Shall we get started?
Yes.
Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you know what's really, really, really complicated? Making s'mores in the microwave. Abby. Rabby's gonna put down two. No, dude, that one's upside down. Come on, my ADD's kicking in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt the chocolate just a little bit in the microwave for like 30 seconds, maybe not even.
And then put the marshmallows.
And then put them on. You know, it's almost like we've done this 3 or 4 times. Oh, Abby would like Jersey milk presented the quick way. Two things you can do. One, you could use chocolate chips instead of these chocolate. Use whatever chocolate you want, like chocolate with carrot. No, not yet. We have to melt the chocolate first. Were you not paying attention?
I was.
Were you not paying attention? Some people. Chocolate chips. The other thing you can do is put the chocolate chips in the marshmallows. It melts a little more evenly. You get a little more.
We should do one where we cut here and then we put this in. Can I do that? I want to do that.
Look at us, improvising. Whoa, stop. How do you use a knife? Really? Teachable moment, people. Put this down.
No, I don't want to cut it all the way in half.
You want to cut a slot. Okay, so do not cut into your hand. Bad. That's how we hurt ourselves, right?
You don't have to hurt yourself.
No, look. Anyway, whatever. We're going to microwave these for 2 seconds. We'll be right back. 30 seconds in the microwave. Our chocolate is just a wee bit smushy. Abby has her strategic marshmallow there. We found that putting them up this way, they're going to roll in the microwave, so you want to make sure all your graham crackers are next to each other. Don't bother putting on the top. That won't help anything. Abby has her impregnated...
In what?
Impregnated? No?
Impregnated?
A word for another day, I guess. And then I want to try something different with this one, where we cut her in half, and then we lay the cut side down. I think this may work better and may prevent some roly-poly fish heads.
Can I?
Can you push down? You can push down.
Roly-poly fish heads.
Eat them up. Yum. We're going to put these back in the microwave for 7-8 minutes.
No, 20
Maybe 30 seconds. And then we'll be right back and then we'll eat them because eating is yummy. We had some roly-poly action. Abby's rolled off. I would not recommend touching them because they are hot. Hot. Oh!
The chocolate came out.
Not entirely. Some of it's in there. It's like 50-50.
Can you push that one back on? The chocolate
50-50.
I'm going to touch it later once it cools.
Then, I just wanted to point out that mine, where we cut it in half.
But look, they combined.
They combined.
Mine combined with yours, Dad.
And that one just fell over.
You said not to touch them.
Yeah, I know, but...
You're a daredevil.
Ask an adult for help. You know why, though? Because hot. So, what's left to do?
Eat.
Dive in and eat.
Really? Already?
Uh-oh.
Move it in your beard.
I just realized there's going to be a match with a big beard. That yummy?
Yeah.
Should we say that one for Mommy?
Yeah. It's perfect. It's 4.
And we're
Four
4.
for the whole family.
Abby has strategically rotated the plate so it's in her direction.
Yes, strategic.
Go.
I need to replace this.
go
because
for
it-
You're gonna go for that one? Well, I'm gonna go for my 50-50 split one here.
There we go.
So,
like it.
a little, first and foremost, delicious.
But your children like you.
I just did not like these because they were so messy and
But you were always messy.
Second, this is the third time we've done this show because we like it so much. Nice stretch. And the second time I did it, I spilled chocolate all over me too.
It's over there.
But you know what, guys? I feel like we need to do more. So I have 2 surprises for you.
yeah.
All right, so we're gonna wrap this one up. I'm gonna clean up, and then we're gonna come back for surprise numero uno. We have cleaned ourselves off of some of our chocolate. Apparently not all of our chocolate, but some of our chocolate, and apparently I had some on my face. So, while the microwave version of Smores is very good, you know, again, the campfire one is the traditional way.
Yeah.
This treat is very much the treat that you do at home, and it's kind of like, this is the right way to do it. So we have a small frying pan here. The key is that it is an oven-safe pan. Abby,
Yes?
how about you dump all of that chocolate in there?
Like just on the bottom?
Just all of it. We have about a cup
Professionally done.
of what do we have a cup of? We have a cup of
Chocolate.
chocolate chips.
Oh,
We have a full candy bar in
Look at
here.
this one.
Ooh, that one got, no one's gonna see
I want to
that.
see.
This one can see it.
There's like a hole in
Whatever chocolate you love, right? Play with different chocolates. We're gonna melt this in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then
different ones.
we're gonna come. Yeah, you can totally do different chocolate, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna top it with some marshmallows. You know what marshmallow is in French?
Guimauve.
It's such a funny word. Guimauve. Melted chocolate out of the oven. Abby wants to smear it around. So, it's hot.
Hot.
Dude, hot.
hot.
You don't need to touch it.
okay.
Just smeary.
Smeary.
That's how you smear yourself. So, yeah, I don't absolutely think it's necessary to do
There's
this.
my chocolate chip that I found from before.
Yep. So, as I say, no need to do this, but sure,
Necessary
have some
for
fun.
Abby.
The only thing you're doing is getting valuable chicken.
Chicken, Daddy.
Chocolate everywhere.
Where did I get chicken? Maybe I
Do
want
you
chicken.
make chicken in this pan? Is that why?
Nope. Marshmallows. Okay, stop playing.
They're overflowing.
You drop.
All you do is play.
Wait,
Boom.
I need a marshmallow.
Marshmallows.
I need one to like
In.
wipe this off.
All the way around. Don't overcrowd them. You know why? Because they expand a little bit.
A little.
So we're going to wrap these. We're going to
Wrap this up.
work around the perimeter, and then we're going to fill in the middle. And then guess what? Back in the oven for how long do you think? The same amount of time.
30 seconds.
And then we'll come back, and then we'll dip graham crackers in this. Yum. Be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here's what we did. We did 5 minutes on 350 degrees, and just like we did for the chocolate to melt it. And then what we did was we turned it onto the broil and raised it to 450.
What's broil?
Broil is when the heating element is on the top of the oven versus the bottom of the oven. So we raise it to the top of it to get this lovely crispy top.
Popped it.
I popped it, but you know what we're gonna do now?
Pretty.
We're gonna take a graham cracker. I'm gonna snap it in half.
Here.
She doesn't want you touching it. I'm gonna go right in and go all the way down to the bottom.
I'm gonna snap mine.
We gotta get some chocolate from the bottom.
And I'm gonna steal the other half of your marshmallow. I'm gonna take my own marshmallow.
I don't think I got enough chocolate.
Ow, I burnt myself.
Watch out, it's very hot.
Really?
Of course.
Thanks.
Yeah, of course it's hot. Dude, that's hot.
Do I blow?
I don't know how hot. I don't think it's gonna burn you.
Do I blow? I don't think it's gonna burn. It's hot.
Oh, that's good.
So good. I'm gonna say better than the microwave variety. Now you'll be saying, Andrew, I don't think we've ever said what my name is before.
Your name is Andrew.
Hi, nice to meet you. Abby, what's that next to you? These, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are ice cream graham cracker sandwiches. We made these before. Super easy. Take a spoonful of ice cream, smush it in between graham crackers. Now, the last time we did this, we dipped it in melted chocolate and melted marshmallow. You know what's really a lot better? Dipping this into melted graham cracker.
Oh.
No, melted dip, s'more dip. S'more dip?
These taste like the ones you make when we cook the marshmallows.
You know why?
Because they're roasted.
Exactly, because they got a little crispness. So good. People,
Make these.
life is short. Ridiculous amounts of sugar. I know it. You know it. We all know it.
And my ice cream is melting.
I think so.
Again, life is short. You don't have to be on a campfire.
To do this.
Campfires are good. But this dip, this would make an excellent dessert any day of the week. No?
Can you even put graham crackers at the bottom?
You could, but they'd be hard to get out. What I was thinking is you could put nuts and stuff in there, which would be awesome. This one's stuffing her face. Where can people, what should people do if they liked our show?
Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give a thumbs up.
Maybe they could also share it with their friends if you like it.
Yeah.
And follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You forgot that.
Mhm.
What?
See you next time while we maybe get ourselves covered in chocolate, marshmallow, and ice cream and crackers and
Just dripping
yumminess.
all up. Yes.
Bye!
Bye.
Look at me.
With chocolate, all of you.
I know that.
Is that yummy?
I'm a chocolate girl.